printer, inventor, diplomat, Benjamin Franklin rose from humble beginnings to spark discoveries that lit the world, and helped shape a nation built on freedom and self-rule. His ideas powered science, independence, and the daring belief that ordinary people could govern themselves. Welcome to Oliver's History Channel, where you'll learn the real history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Benjamin Franklin was born in 1706 in Boston, the son of a candlemaker. With little formal schooling, he educated himself through books, curiosity, and relentless ambition. In Philadelphia, Franklin became a printer, writer, and public figure, publishing Poor Richard's Almanac and shaping colonial thought with wit and wisdom. Franklin's experiments, especially with electricity, made him famous across Europe. By midlife, he was one of the most respected Americans in the world. Sent to England, Franklin first sought compromise. But years of British arrogance transformed him from loyal subject into committed revolutionary. Back home, Franklin served in the First and Second Continental Congresses, helping draft unity, independence, and the foundations of a new nation. In France, Franklin became America's most vital diplomat, securing French money, troops, and naval power that turned the war. Franklin helped negotiate the Treaty of Paris, officially ending the war. He later returned home to shape the Constitution and the young Republic. Franklin died in 1790, but his ideas still live. He didn't command armies. He armed a revolution with ideas, alliances, and intellect.